good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another video. This one's gonna be real quick, and I've done this before, but come on, what is going on? Do you guys see the same thing I do? Is this stuff something to trip off of or not? I'm not trying to be picky, but then again, I am. Okay, so you got glue right there, you got glue showing right there. You know what I'm saying? I mean, Nike, you got to do a little better with this. Glue there. Okay, that's minor, right? Go to the back panel. It's just like dirty. Right there, some dirt. I mean, am I tripping? Some more dirt. Dirt. Back right here. Dirt. Like dirt. Like I got these from Foot Locker. Dirt. I mean, one person might not think this is anything. One person might be upset with it. Glue is not too bad. The glue is not too bad. I'm not tripping off of that. There is glue stuff, but that's minor. I'm just showing you guys the different things that's on here. Then you go to the toe box. Look at this right here. Like, not right here, but right there. What is... I mean, that stuff that probably can be wiped off, maybe. I don't know, but you buying these shoes, trying to hit us with stuff every week. These things have to be good. Nothing wrong there, nothing wrong there. The bottoms are clean, the bottoms are good. And the thing is, you guys know me, I do reviews, I love Kyrie's. I didn't even try these things on because of that. Like, so those of you guys who've seen the review, when I said I was gonna do it on feet, I didn't do the on feet because I didn't want to mess them up, because I'm gonna take these back. Glue. Okay, that's minor. This back panel is not too bad. I mean, that's just like whatever. You know what I'm saying? Not too bad on the back panel. This is actually the right shoe. A little dirt right there. I mean, you know what I'm saying? But right here, again, so you got this. Look at the back panel. Then you got the midsole with that. Then you got these X marks right here on the midsole. I don't know what that is. See, I mean, one person might say just get some crap and clean it, or get some shoe cleaner and clean it off. I understand that, but when you buy something brand new, you're not supposed to have to do that. So it's on both of these shoes. I mean, this shoe is fire. The Kyrie 4 Halloween. Excuse the mess in the back. I got all kinds of stuff going on here. But let me know what you guys think about these. The shoes is fire in themselves. But just, you know, the markings, the dirt, what's going on here? So, am I tripping taking these back, or should I take them back? What would you guys do in the comment section? These are dope shoes. What would you guys do in the comment section below? It's your boy Bossco. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button, share the video, of course, and leave me your thoughts in the comment section. You dig? Peace.